This is the review for spiral number 2. One thing to notice in the directions is that it says to solve a problem by following PEMDAS, you must show your work even if you choose to use a calculator. Circle your final answers. Let's talk about question number 1, following order of operations. 7 times 9 would come first. 8 plus 63 is 71. Circle your answer. Number 6. Number 2. Follow my order of operations. 35 minus, inside the parentheses comes first. 17 minus 2 is 15 divided by 5. Division comes next. 35 minus 15 divided by 5 is 3, which is 32. Circle your answers. Question number 3. Do the work inside the parentheses. It's 12 times 9 minus the value of negative 24 divided by 12. Believe it or not, this is not just a fraction of ours, it's division. 24 divided by 12 is not just a fraction. Don't panic when you see that. 24 divided by 12 is 2. This is 12 times 9. Yes, it's inside parentheses, but the P in PEMDAS stands to do the work inside. Times the absolute value of negative 2. Again, this is just 12 times 9 minus, what is the absolute value of negative 2? But 2, positive 2. This is 2, so it's minus 2. 12 times 9 is 108 minus 2, which is 106. Circle your answer. Question number 4. These brackets fall under the grouping symbols, and sometimes we say GEMDAS. 26 minus bracket. 25 minus 11 is 14, minus 2 to the third power. 2 to the third power comes next, we'll do it on the side. 2 to the third power is not 6, it's 2 times 2 times 2, which is 4 times 2, or 8. 26 minus 14 minus 8. This is 26 minus 14 minus 8 is 6. 20. Circle your answer. Number 5. So I'm going to follow order of operations. We do the work inside the parentheses first. 12 just stays. 30 minus 12 is 18. 3 squared, we can do that. 3 squared is 9. So it's hidden parentheses down at the bottom. What you technically should do is 12 times 18 first. Although in a second I will show you what you could do instead. 12 times 18 would give you 216. You take that, divided by 9, and you get 24. Showing all that work, even if I weren't using a calculator. The other thing you could have done is 18 over 9 simplifies. 18 over 9 is 2 over 1. 12 times 2 is the same 24. Circle your answer. Moving back up to 6. 12 plus 4 squared is 16. That's 28. 4 squared is not 8. There are still hidden parentheses. This is a situation where it's hidden parentheses. We have to do all this work on the inside first. Don't forget to rewrite everything. Students often forget to bring stuff down. They forget to bring the 24 down. They forget to bring the radical down. They often get themselves in trouble. This whole thing, I'll actually do this on the side. 9 times 2 plus 3 times 2 plus 1, which is 18 plus 6 plus 1, 24 plus 1, which is 25, which is a good thing because I need this to be a perfect square so I can take the square root of it. 24 minus 1 is the square root of 25. 5. Now I'm done with that. Square roots actually, if you look at PEMDAS, square roots actually fall into the exponent category. 24 minus 5 is 19. Circling your answers. Number 8. Do the work inside the parentheses first. 4 times 6 divided by 8 minus 2. 8 minus 2 is next. 4 times 6 divided by, again, 6. Rewrite over here, 4 times 6 divided by 6, which is 24 divided by 6, which is 4. Circle your answer. Number 9, the work inside the parentheses first would be 8 squared, which is 64, not 16. 8 squared is 2 8. 8 times 8, which is 64, not 16. Minus, still inside the parentheses, 2 to the 5th power is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 2s. 2 to the 5th power is 5 2s. That's 4 times 2 times 2 times 2, which is 8 times 2 times 2, which is 16 times 2, or 32. 64 minus 32. Divided by, we'll just do 24 divided by 6 for now, plus 3 squared. Inside the parentheses, 64 minus 32 is 32. Divided by 24 divided by 6 plus 3 squared. Still inside the parentheses, 32 divided by 24 divided by 6 is 4 plus 3 squared. Next comes exponents, which is 3 squared. 32 divided by 4 plus 9, 3 squared is 9. 32 divided by 4 is 8 plus 9, 17. Circle your answer. Number 10, up top there's parentheses inside parentheses because technically there's parentheses up top. 60 minus 5 comes first. 5 times 60 minus 5 is 11 minus 1, which is 55 minus 1, or 54. The bottom, 4 squared is 16 minus 7, which is 9. And then we have 54 divided by 9, which is 6. Circle your answer. The rest of them are still order of operations. We just have to plug in first, substitute, then evaluate. Find the value of. Number 11. 4 times, well, x is 8 minus 2 times m is 3. That's 32 minus 6, which is 26. Circle your answer. Question 12 is n times x times y. It's not nxy, it's n times x times y. N is negative 3 times x, which is 8, times y, which is 6, all divided by n, which is 3. This is negative 24 times 6 divided by 3. Negative 24 times 6 is negative 144 divided by 3. 144, yep. And negative 144 divided by 3, let me just confirm, is negative 48. 13. 2 times n, which is negative 3, times y, which is 6, plus x, which is 8. That's negative 6 times 6 plus 8, negative 36 plus 8, which is negative 28. That's a pretty straightforward one. Not a whole lot of calculations that were difficult on that one. Number 14, 5 times y, which is 6, plus 8 times p, which was negative 2. That's 30 plus negative 16. They fight, the positives win by 14. Gotta know how to work with integers. Number 15, 2 times 3 times, well, x is 8 plus 6, all inside of parentheses, divided by, inside parentheses, 10 times n, which is 3. All right, we'll do this inside the parentheses first. 3 times 8 is 24 plus 6, divided by 10 times 3, which is 2 times 30, divided by 10 times 3. 10 times 3 is next. 2 times 30 divided by, this comes next, 30. That's 60 divided by 30, which is 2. That's 22. 60 divided by 30 is 2. You guys have calculators. You should be able to check all your work. These are ones you really shouldn't get wrong. X plus y is, in parentheses, 8 plus 6 divided by p, which is negative 2. That's 14 divided by negative 2. 14 divided by 2 is 7. Signs are different. Negative. Circle your answer.